Welcome back, Lena Girls over there. Davey D's over here. Time for some shakas and shout-outs. First of all, shakas and shout-outs to Hawaiʻi drivers. According to new research from State Farm Insurance, Hawaiʻi drivers are among the least likely in the nation to be involved in an animal collision. That's good news.
That is. I'm so sorry. You caught me. I'm surprised that we have that kind of data. Awesome. The national average is 1 in 139, but here in Hawaii, the odds are much lower, just 1 in 907. Poor thing, these animals. I feel so bad. Well, good job, Hawaii.
We get chickens crossing the road. We get cats, wild cats crossing the road.
I know,
kinds. So,
I understand.
So we are actually doing a good job.
We are. And while our risk is low, it's still important to stay safe. So here are some animal collision safety tips. Please slow down. I'm sorry. This is sorry. I don't know why this is funny to me. Slow down and stay alert. Scan the road ahead.
Definitely avoid swerving because many serious crashes happen when drivers swerve to miss an animal and then they end up losing control or hitting another vehicle. So, yay, Hawaii!
Yes, woohoo! All right, shakas and shout-outs to Lam Capital LLC, one of Oahu's largest Bill 7 developers. On September 19th, the company will host a topping off celebration to honor the 75 construction workers who helped bring its newest affordable housing project at 1568 Pensacola Street to this major milestone. If
you're wondering, topping off is a tradition in the construction industry, marking the completion of a building's highest point with the placement of the final beam. So this 90-unit development broke ground on March 15th. I was there. And in just 6 months, it's already advancing in an unprecedented pace.
That's right. Lam Capital LLC expects to host a ribbon cutting on May 16, 2026, officially opening 90 new affordable rental homes for our Hawaii families.
Right on, Paul. You the man. Hey, shakas and shout-outs to the 18th annual Kumai Kahula competition winners. Kumai Kahula is presented annually by Kauahea Inc. That's a nonprofit organization founded by Hokulani Holt to support Hawaiian arts and culture in connection with the Maui Arts and Cultural Center.
Ho'omaikai to Mr. Hula Maui, Dave Kavika Punio of Halau o Kahanulehua, under the direction of Kumuhula Kamaka Kukona. We love him. And Miss Hula Maui, Sierra Mei Ling Hau'oli Mai Kalani Kava'a, who also dances for Halau o Kahanulehua. Yeah. For the Kava'a Ohana.
Yes.
We know them.
Congratulations to all the participants.